Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Shopify. This integration is incredibly powerful because it allows you to automate tasks between Shopify and hundreds of other apps, saving you time and reducing manual work in your business operations. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll begin creating your automation. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps together, and we're about to build one that links Shopify to another service. Next, click on the Trigger button. The trigger is the event that starts your automation. In the search bar that appears, type Shopify and select it as your trigger app. Zapier will then ask you to choose a trigger event from the drop-down menu. For example, you might select New Order, which means every time a new order is placed in your Shopify store, this Zap will activate. Now you need to connect your Shopify account to Zapier. Click Sign In to begin this process. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. This should look something like mystore.myshopify.com. Type in your specific store address and click Continue. Shopify will open a pop-up window asking you to authorize the connection. Click Install App in this pop-up, then click Confirm to finalize the authorization. This step is crucial because it gives Zapier permission to access your Shopify data securely. Once authorized, you'll be taken back to Zapier, and your Shopify account will be successfully connected. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click the Action button. In the search bar, look for and select the app you want to connect with Shopify. This could be Google Sheets, Email by Zapier, Slack, or any other app you use. For this example, let's say you choose Google Sheets. After selecting your Action app, choose an action event from the dropdown. If you're using Google Sheets, you might select Create Spreadsheet Row, which will add a new row to your spreadsheet every time a new order comes through Shopify. Just like with Shopify, you'll need to connect this app to Zapier. Click Sign In to connect your Google Sheets account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This ensures Zapier can write data to your spreadsheets. Once connected, you'll see a field mapping section. This is where you tell Zapier which data from Shopify should go into which columns in your Google Sheet. For example, you can drag order name from Shopify into a specific field in your spreadsheet. You might also map customer email, order total, or any other relevant data. Take your time here to ensure the information flows correctly. Before going live, it's smart to test your Zap. Click Test Action to verify everything works as expected. Zapier will use sample data to simulate the process so you can see if your spreadsheet row gets created properly. If the test is successful, you're good to go. If not, review your field mappings and make adjustments. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. You can monitor its activity anytime by checking your Zap history, which shows you every time the Zap has fired and whether it succeeded or encountered any issues. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Shopify with another app using Zapier, creating a powerful automation that works for you around the clock. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.